Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So let's complete the O sound. O and W working together. What sound does it make? Do we still remember? O. So let's blend together. S, O. Snow. Gr, O. Grow. B, oh, blow. Fl, oh, flow. Gr, oh, grow. And lastly, oh, sow, as in for sowing plants. Thanks for always tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video where we'll be practicing a different diagram. If you want to take a guess at the next diagram you think we'll be practicing, write on the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Bye!